Every day, we measure the world around us, starting with the small data of everyday life. We even use our body as a measuring tool to measure time, weights, length, and temperature. But what about the data we can't measure ourselves? Human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and livestock farming cause carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases to accumulate in the atmosphere. Without it being directly visible to us, these gases have a major impact on our climate. They trap the sun's radiation in the Earth's atmosphere, causing the warming of the Earth's surface. Greenhouse gas emissions have increased steadily since the beginning of the industrial age. 2020 was still one of the hottest years on record, despite the temporary impact of the COVID-19 safety measures that resulted in slightly reduced emissions. 2020 also marks the 5th anniversary of the landmark International Paris Agreement. It aims to combat climate change by ultimately limiting the global temperature increase to between 1.5 and 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Although commitments by governments to reach these goals are promising, greater efforts are still needed. To be able to track the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere and to assess their consequences for the climate, continuous and precise measurements are necessary. Therefore, we need Earth observation programs and services like Copernicus and its atmosphere monitoring service, CAMS for short, which provides a global view of what's happening around us. Copernicus's monitoring capability provides free and openly accessible data for all. Environmental measures are made through in-situ observations at the Earth's surface, collected by monitoring systems that, for instance, are ground, sea, or aircraft-based. Using the data provided by the Copernicus services, our impact on climate can be measured and decisions can be made.
The Zero Pollution Action Plan, it's geared to bringing the way we live, produce and consume within the boundaries that the planet has set.
It is difficult to comprehend what is happening on a global scale, especially when it is not directly measurable with our own senses, our own bodies. Therefore, it is important to make the invisible visible. One can only manage what one can measure. Put data to work.